Hey there! Did you stop fearing AI? Are you ready to make money with AI tools? Here's the first way. Welcome back to the course. Now that you're all set up, it's time to dive into one of the most exciting ways to make money with AI content creation. In this lesson, we're going to focus on AI content creation for social media. Whether you're into YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, AI can help you create engaging content faster than ever. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro to get started. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to use AI to create scripts, edit videos, and even grow your audience. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about why social media is such a great place to start. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are packed with opportunities to make money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. But here's the thing. Creating content can take a lot of time. That's where AI comes in. With tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, and Canva, you can cut your work time in half and still create amazing content. Ready to see how it works? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Generate a script with ChatGPT. Let's say you want to create a YouTube video about 5 AI tools for beginners. Instead of spending hours writing a script, you can use ChatGPT to do it for you. Here's how. 1. Go to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Jasper. How-to.typo prompt like, write a YouTube script about 5 AI tools for beginners. 2. Hit enter and boom, you've got a full script in seconds. You can tweak it to match your style, but the heavy lifting is done. How easy is that? Step 2. Edit your video with AI tools. Now that you've got your script, it's time to turn it into a video. If you're not a video editing pro, no worries. AI's got your back. Here's what to do. 1. Use a tool like Pictory, InVideo, VideoGen, Hailuo, Higen, Video Express, Pixverse, CapCut, Canva, or Runway ML to turn your script into a video. Next, add visuals, music, and effects to make it engaging. Finally, export the video and upload it to your platform of choice. For example, Pictory and InVideo can turn a blog post or script into a video in minutes. Just upload your text, choose a style, and let the AI do the rest. It's like having a video editor in your pocket. Wow! Step 3. Create eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Once your video is ready, you'll need a thumbnail and title that grab attention. This is where Canva comes in. Here's how to do it. 1. Open Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail templates. Then, customize the template with bold text and vibrant colors. Next, add your video title and any other details. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek to generate catchy titles. For example, ask ChatGPT, give me 5 catchy titles for a video about AI tools for beginners. And just like that, you've got a professional-looking thumbnail and title. Alright, let's recap ball. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate a script. Then, edit your video with AI tools like InVideo, CapCut, Pictory, or Runway ML. Next, create thumbnails and titles with Canva. That's it. You're now ready to create and upload your first AI-powered social media video. But wait, there's more. Once your video is live, you can start monetizing it through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate links. For example, if you mention an AI tool in your video, include an affiliate link in the description. Every time someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. How cool is that? Amazing, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Here's your action step for this lesson. 1. Open ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Jasper and generate a script for a short video. Next, use InVideo, VideoGen, Hagen, CapCut, Hailuo, Pictory, Synthesia, or Runway ML to turn it into a video. And create a thumbnail with Canva. Finally, upload your video to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And don't forget to share your video in the comments or on social media. Tag me so I can check it out and cheer you on. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll dive into blogging with AI, where you'll learn how to create and monetize blogs using AI tools. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the course, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any lessons. See you in the next one. Let's keep making money with AI.